Hi everyone. Today for this tool talk, I want to introduce you to learning by questions at home. This site is new to me, but when I found it, I was so excited um, because this is so helpful for all grade levels. Um, and then Learning by Questions is a free online classroom resource. Students can use it at school, they can use it at home. If they have internet and a computer. Um, and there is so much on this site. It's really awesome because it's free. There's no registration. There's no login. There's no advertising. Um, as you can see, though, the years are quite different because this site is based in the UK. But look at this. Let's look at English. There is so much here. Um, and I'll just open this one that I started earlier. It generates the questions, and this is how do you spell the missing word. It says Jack and his mother were very poor. When I answer, it'll say correct. Poor means having very little money. Jack and his mother were very poor. And here's the next question. Now, I'm going to get this question wrong on purpose so that you can see it generates feedback when you get a question wrong. And it gives a little hint here. So I'm going to click retry and select the correct answer. And there it is. I mean, I was just so impressed by this tool. And you can just exit out, and then let's say I want to switch and I want to go to math. Here we go. Let's look at practice 2 times tables. It is generating the questions. And we're going to answer. Correct. Now I'm going to get this one wrong on purpose. Isn't that great? It gives feedback right away. Like I said, I'm new to it, but I'm so impressed with what I'm seeing. And you can change the grade level and go into the different grades. I mean, and there's even more advanced things here, which I know I'm probably going to get this wrong, but let's look at it. Okay, maybe I'll get it right. A force is either a push or a pull. True or false? Let's see. Correct. So that's great. I'm going to exit out of that and then go back to home. The benefits, as I've said before, is the user doesn't have to register. There's no login. There's no advertisements. Students can work at their own pace. They get feedback in real time. Some of the potential challenges, like I said before, this site is based in the UK. The grade levels are a little different than ours. And it's not designed for phones or other mobile devices. The data isn't recorded, so we would have to observe our students using this to collect data if we wanted to do that. And students will need to have a computer or a laptop with an internet connection at home to be able to practice at home. And we could start using this resource at the beginning of the school year, and students can practice skills that they've learned in previous years to refresh their learning, and then they could even explore and maybe learn some new stuff. So I just thought this site was a lot of fun, and I hope you'll check it out, and I hope you like it. Thank you.